Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you. So please subscribe below and let's get started. In today's video, you are going to get a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Today, we're going to be talking about Walmart, okay? Now, why Walmart? How can you make $1,000 to $5,000 per month with Walmart? It's really easy, and it's called affiliate marketing. Here's a little handy dandy guide on how you can get started with affiliate marketing today and how you can make up to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. So how this works is that you are an affiliate and you're going to be promoting certain products or services on your website, YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Quora, Ask.com, anywhere where you can put a referral link. Whenever a customer clicks on your referral link or affiliate link and they buy something, you are going to get paid and Walmart will pay you. They have an awesome affiliate program, okay? Walmart will pay you a commission. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing with Walmart, it's pretty easy. All you got to do is click this yellow button right here and become a member. So the Walmart.com affiliate program helps turn visits to your site into revenue for you. Place links to their products on your website, and when a visitor follows those links to Walmart.com and completes a qualifying purchase, you are going to be earning a commission, okay? They make it easy to enter and maintain the partnership. They provide you memberships, great commission structures. They're going to be paying you 1 to 4% for every product that you sell on Walmart, okay? Now, later on in this video, I'm going to show you an easier way to make money online. But right now, let's stick to Walmart. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, all you got to do is sign up for their free affiliate, become a member right here and click this button. If you search up on YouTube product reviews, freaking reviews shows up, okay? All he does is reviews tons of different things such as weird ice ball maker, testing 5 folding gadgets, Ember mug review, and he's getting around more than 100,000 views per video, and all he does is review certain products, okay? Really simple. He has tons of videos and he's probably making most of his money through affiliate commissions, not just YouTube AdSense, because YouTube AdSense does not pay that much. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to get started on YouTube and start making money. You could have 1 subscriber on YouTube and you can make money. Yeah. So if you look on his video right here and we scroll down, we're going to look at his affiliate links, okay? My gear on Amazon, if you click on this link and buy his camera, his lens, anything from Amazon, for example, Amazon has a cool affiliate program. Whenever you click this link and buy anything from Amazon, he is going to get paid as well, around 1 to 4% depending on the product. So if you have a really expensive product, like $1,000, honestly, whenever someone buys anything from that link, he will get paid, and he has over 597,000 subscribers. He's getting a ton of views through Amazon, okay? All you got to do is make a little review website like this, testing out different types of products from Walmart, and you can get paid. But if you don't want to do a review channel, there's tons of different ways. You can make videos on finance, for example, weightlifting, healthy living, how to be happy. You can make videos on anything on YouTube. YouTube is still the #1 platform for affiliate marketing. You can get really good with YouTube really quickly by installing something like TubeBuddy, okay? TubeBuddy is your best friend, honestly, on the road to YouTube success. It's a free browser extension, completely free to use. They do advanced keyword research. TubeBuddy is going to help you find the high-performing searchable videos on YouTube on whatever topic you actually care about. You can create the perfect title, perfect tag. It will do everything for you. It's going to cut your publishing time in half. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up publishing time. It's going to help you rank higher on search results, okay? The higher you rank on YouTube search results, the more money you're going to get paid, because more people are going to be watching your videos, first of all, through AdSense. Second of all, more people are going to be clicking on your affiliate link. You're going to get more views and subscribers. You're going to test, tweak, and win the click, meaning it's going to test out your thumbnail, see which one is the best. Over 3 million people have used this. All you gotta do is click install free now. Boom, you get a free software. Okay, now you can make a ton of money promoting Walmart, but there's a better way. Okay, there is honestly a better way to make money online with affiliate marketing. I suggest going to clickbank.com and get started. It's completely free to use. It's available in over 200 companies. They've been doing at this for 20 years. They've paid out over $4 billion. Okay, all you gotta do is become an affiliate. Nearly 100,000 affiliates power Clickbank's vast marketplace, promote top performing compliant products, and to get paid on time every single time. All you gotta do is click the start promoting button right here. Sign up with your name, your email address, set up a password. It's completely free, and you can promote thousands of different products. If you don't want to do YouTube, you could promote it on your blog. You can promote anything. And when you get on their marketplace, they have tons of different products. If you look right here in the right hand side corner, if you can promote this program, for example, the bots live trading room, you're going to be making $3,000 per conversion. So let's go say you have a finance YouTube channel. Okay, you have 10 subscribers. One of your subscribers or one of your viewers clicks on your link and buys this bots live trading room. You're going to be making $3,000 with 10 subscribers. You don't even need to get AdSense from YouTube. If you want to make $10,000, you promote this program heavily, get 3 people to go buy it, you're going to make $9,000. That's pretty close to 10 already. If you want to promote Ty Lopez's program, you're going to be making $1,295. Microcap millionaires, you're going to be making $784. Crypto swap profits, you're going to be making $695. Bird Dog Bot, you're going to be making $577. Tons of different programs. If you look on the left hand side, you could choose anything from computer to internet, cooking, food, wine, e-business, education, employment, tons of different green products, health and fitness. If you like going to the gym, you can promote health and fitness products. Some of these programs, $646 promoting an apple cider vinegar ebook. Okay, you don't even need to make that 1 to 3% commission on Walmart products, because Walmart products are already cheap. Go for the big boys, sign up on Clickbank and promote the apple cider vinegar ebook, and you're going to be making $646. If you want a full tutorial on how you can get started today with affiliate marketing, click the link below. It's going to take you to this video. All you got to do is enter your first name, your email address, click get instant access, and you can get started with affiliate marketing today completely free. Okay, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please consider subscribing and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.